Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, Ya ayyuhal nasu qad ja'akumur rasulu bil haqqi min rabbikum fa'aminu khayran lakum وإن تكفروا فإن لله ما في السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما. Translation: O mankind, the messenger has come to you with the truth from your Rabb, so believe in him. It is better for you. But if you disbelieve, then know that certainly unto Allah belongs all whatever is in the heavens and on earth, and Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly stated that testifying the book of Allah and believing in the Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a must if somebody is claiming to be a believer. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly said that those people of the book who were making excuses not to believe in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and not to believe in Quran have been doing wrong, and they had no excuse of saying that, and their excuses were false excuses. And now in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing the whole humanity that, oh people, our Prophet has brought the truth, the book which has the guidance, and he has brought the deen, the religion that is the truth. And now your betterment is in believing in the book, in the Prophet, and in the religion. And if you do not believe, it is going to be bad for you. And if you believe in all these things, it is better for you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ghani. He does not get affected by your belief or your disbelief. It is for your betterment that you believe, so that you can be saved from the hellfire. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the owner of whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knowledge is absolute as well, and his wisdom is absolute as well. And if we ponder in this ayah, it is clear that somebody who claims to believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala must believe in the Prophet and must believe in the book of Allah. And if he does not do so, he will be considered a disbeliever, even if he claims to be a believer, because this is a must to believe in the Prophet and the books of Allah, to claim that somebody believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if we see in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said this with lots of jalal and lots of emphasis, and this has been made crystal clear that nobody can say now that we did not get the guidance and we were not warned and we did not know what the true deen is after Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran. All these excuses have been negated in totality. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Islam and include us 100% in the religion of Islam. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.